plants, and then we also learn about the fruits and the vegetables, and it's really cool because I kind of love the environment and learning stuff about it.
My favorite part about the garden upstairs is giving back to the community and also being able to sell what we grow back to the community.
We harvest, grow some different vegetable like zucchini, onions, potatoes, carrots. I don't really like vegetable, but like when I was working over the summer, like now I'm like eating vegetable every time.